Episode 5 Range and Efficiency. Let's talk about common ways to optimize the Peterbilt Model 579 EV's battery range and longevity. First, an electric vehicle's battery range is highly dependent on driver behavior. The highest energy consumption occurs when driving at high average speeds, where the truck's aerodynamic resistance is greatest. It is recommended to drive the 579 EV at 65 miles an hour or slower to maximize range and battery efficiency. Also, routes and applications with frequent stops and starts will increase battery range because of the regenerative braking effect, adding energy back to batteries. So, combine recommended top speeds and frequent stops and starts with moderate acceleration and deceleration, and a Model 579 EV should experience optimized efficiency and range based simply on the driver's behavior. With the regenerative braking engaged on the 579 EV, it is easy to utilize one-pedal driving. One-pedal driving is when the driver eases off the accelerator pedal and the vehicle slows down or brakes due to regenerative braking. This type of braking is from the drive motor working as a generator, putting energy back into the batteries. The regenerative braking system can slow the vehicle to 5 miles per hour. Then, the operator will need to use the service brakes to bring the vehicle to a complete stop. Similar to an engine retarder on an internal combustion engine, regenerative braking on the 579 EV can be controlled by the right-hand column-mounted stalk. There are 4 settings for regenerative braking on the 579 EV. Setting 0, regenerative braking is off. Setting 1, 33% braking power. Setting 2, 66% braking power. And setting 3, the maximum 100% braking power. The higher the regenerative brake setting, the stronger the regenerative braking. And the higher the setting, the more energy being put back into the batteries. The highest utilization of regenerative braking will result in the most efficient driving possible and will extend range. When the battery is completely full, the vehicle will be unable to utilize regenerative braking since there is no capacity in the battery to store the energy. This is normal. When this occurs, the regenerative braking system telltale indicator will illuminate. The regenerative braking system telltale indicator may also illuminate when the drive motor inverter, or battery temperatures are too high. This indicates the regenerative braking system has been disabled. Eliminate excessive idle time by turning the truck off when leaving the cab. This will reduce energy consumption and improve range. Your HVAC settings can also have a significant effect on range. Utilize the recirculation mode on the HVAC system to minimize heating and cooling energy consumption. Also, do not drive with the windows down and the HVAC system running. These are all suggestions to maximize range and battery efficiency. Temperature also plays an important role in truck range and longevity. Batteries are most efficient at moderate room temperatures. The truck will automatically adjust the battery temperature by heating them when cold or cooling them when hot. This means temperature extremes will affect vehicle range. Plan for reduced range in these conditions. One way to minimize this range loss in extreme temperatures is to precondition the truck. Preconditioning works by remaining connected to the charger and then bringing the vehicle, its batteries, and the cabin to operating temperature. The driver is using the charger to heat or cool the truck and batteries before departing, as yet another way to maximize battery range and efficiency. With this in mind, park in the shade in hot climates, and for colder climates, park in an indoor warmer area if possible. Thank you for watching Episode 5, Range and Efficiency. This is the final episode in the 579 EV driver tutorial series. To learn more about the Peterbilt Model 579 EV or other Peterbilt models, please visit www.peterbilt.com for more information and resources.